Hello there, stamping friends. I'm really excited because I have a video tutorial to share with you today. And today's tutorial actually uses My Digital Studio 2 to create your own cover photo for Facebook. And for those of you on Facebook, you know that that's the long skinny photo across the top of your wall. And sometimes it's kind of nice to throw in something really fancy that expresses a little bit about you and your family. So I'm going to use the custom option in My Digital Studio 2, and I'm going to click on that. And then this is where I'm going to change the pixel size of the canvas that I'm going to work with. I know that the canvas size for a Facebook cover photo is 851 by 315. However, when I started designing my projects using that pixel size, it was a little bit small, and so I'd have some trouble with dropping in punches that were larger than my screen and typing fonts in like a size 3. So I did some math, and we won't talk about how long that took, and found a ratio that I found much easier to work with. So from your creating a custom size, make sure you're in pixels and set your width at 1277 and your height at 473, and then click on Create Project. And then here's where we need to give our project a name and click on OK. And it'll take a second and it will build a canvas size exactly the pixel height and width that you just told it to do. So once you have that set up, you can go ahead and design this just as you would any other scrapbook page or card. You can give it a background, and I'm going to use the Orchard Harvest. This would be kind of fun to do some recent fall photos of our family. And all the same design features obviously work. So if that's a little strong, you can drop the opacity of it. And then you can add a family photo or a series of family photos and create those the size that you need. And of course, you're going to want to add some embellishments, maybe map your photos. You can do everything exactly as you would a scrapbook page. The sky is the limit. So just add a little photo mat there and add a drop shadow to keep things interesting. And just a little heads up that when you are working with your elements, they are a little bit larger. You are working with kind of a small canvas size, so don't freak out if your punches seem so much larger than what you're used to them being. And then remember that if you do use a punch on your page, you're going to want to color fill that or paper fill it, otherwise it won't show up in your final project. And then a fun thing to do with your cover photo is to add some text. So you can click on the Add Text box and it will throw in a spot for you to type. And this is where you can type out a message to your Facebook friends, or you can type in some scripture that you like, or a quote that is really helpful to you. Think of something fun and creative that would set you apart. So once you have your project designed how you want, you're going to want to save that project, and that'll take a second to save this photo. And then now we're going to save it to our, I save mine to my desktop just because it's easier for me to find. Just click on that share button and you can export this to your documents or photos. Before you do that though, take a look at your image size. Remember, these are the pixels that we specified, but I'm going to click on Change Size, and you'll notice that if I choose Medium, there's the 851 by 315. So that'll give me the exact size I need for Facebook, and I won't need to zoom in or crop my photo. It'll be perfect. So that'll just take a few seconds to save it to the location that you chose. When you open Facebook, All you need to do is hover over the bottom right hand corner of the cover photo and click on change photo or whatever it says there, and then you're going to upload that photo from wherever you saved it onto Facebook, and then you'll be good to go. If you would like a cute little freebie cover photo, be sure to stop by my blog, inklingsbyjen.blogspot.com, and there's a link there. You can go to my Facebook page and grab a cover photo that I made, and that'll tide you over until you have a chance to dig in and create your own. Thanks for stopping by, and have a wonderful day.